Want to save yourself some money on purchasing 1-pound tanks? Get yourself something like this. Alright, this is refillable, DOT approved, so you can transport these after you refill them. Don't go getting a kit for a couple of dollars that you can refill the old green 1-pound tanks. Okay, a couple of reasons. One, they tend to leak after you refill them. Two, they're made out of real thin material and they'll rust apart eventually and cause a hole when you least expect it, and have your building or whatever you're in fill up with propane. It's not a good thing. So the right tool for the job is going to be to put one of these on, the correct tool for the job, and here. Now you have a pin on here that has to match up with this one here. Okay, and when you put this on here, you're going to want to make sure that that lines up with that when you tighten this up. We're going to refill this real quick. It won't take but a couple of minutes, and that way you can save a ton of money on having to buy those 1-pound tanks, and I mean a ton of money. Okay, get the legs on, put this on, and we're going to need this facing upward, which will be downward in a second. Okay, don't turn it on, flip it over, and then get your tank on. Okay, the tank goes on pretty easy. Ta-da! Alright, nice and finger tight, nice and finger tight. Open this up. You're ready to go. You should be careful of any propane leaks. That stuff gets mighty cold. Okay, the trick is to turn this open and press. As soon as you see steady stream, you're done. Okay, you can see it coming out. As soon as you get a steady stream, you're done. There you go. That's it. Now we'll shut off the gas over here, and you have a full tank of propane. Now you can use it for your Bernzomatic torch or whatever. Okay, your little buddy heaters or whatever needs to be done. Now you have a tank, 1-pound tank that you can carry around, and you don't have to keep on spending $6.50 to $7 a piece. Now they're crazy. Okay, one tank, $14. Okay, not bad. You can fill up an awful lot of these tanks for 14 bucks. Not bad. Okay, don't forget, when you shut off your tank down here and you're all done, remember to empty out this tube in here. This still has pressure in the middle. So here's your valve here, and there's a valve on your tank. Shut off the valve on the tank, purge that out. Now you're safe. Now, common sense. There's propane gas coming out of that thing. Don't smoke around it. Don't do it around a fire. Don't do it around your furnace. Don't do it in a garage. Don't do it in your basement. Don't do it in your living room. Okay? Just don't be stupid. Okay, it's propane gas. But other than that, you do this outside, you'll be fine. But it's a way to save a ton of money on tanks, and you can get a whole lot of tanks Out of this 20-pound tank, theoretically, you'll get 20 1-pound tanks. Okay? I mean, that's the way it should work. You're going to have a little leakage, so you figure 18, 19. That's an awful lot of tanks for 14 bucks. So you can keep refilling that tank over and over and over. So there you go. A good way to save money and still have the convenience of having a 1-pound tank. There you go. Good luck with it.